So anyway, oh man, I was in deep thought right there. I'm looking at the lines and not even talking. All right, so I see that we got this. We have this double bottom that happened back on July 7th, and it had bounced off that double bottom. This was basically the greed meter, the fear greed meter. Let me see what I can't even say it. The fear greed meter. Let me see what that is right now. Now, it said like 25. I made up kind of a number in my head, so that equal 100. Like if they say that the fear is, see if I can make it larger. I don't know if that even helps, but because it's pushing it to the top as far as like where it's positioned on the tools. It's positioned to be on the top. Well, that's fine. So like when this fear meter or the fear greed, what do they call it? Let me see if I can bring it up, and I'll show you guys the site where I get it. Where is it? I think is this it? Fear greed. Yeah, fear greed and index, they call it. Fear greed index. See, crypto fear greed index. Let me see if I can. Alright, so right now, and I wanted to see if I can watch for correlation. I mean, like I'm just getting into this, but here's a fear greed index. And then they take you to historical values. You can look there. You see how, like it says now, yesterday, last week, last month. And I think it bounces pretty much when this hits like 25. It seems to be kind of the bottom in price wherever it happens to be. Wherever the price then happens to be, that seems to be the bottom. Now, I'm not saying that that's 100%. I'm just saying kind of based on like what I've seen. I haven't been watching it that long, but you can watch it and watch for correlations. Before this point, I didn't know it existed, and then it was at 25. But that was a good takeoff. Like it was starting to head the other direction. And it topped out, if I can recall. Wait a minute, see if I can remember where it topped out. I think it topped out at 75. I think so. Okay, so if we look, let's say, what do we got right now? We're at August 28. So August 28, and then the 21st, like somewhere up in here. I'd need to go back a little further, like the 16th, to get back 2 weeks. But right up in here, it did give us a number. Let's see if I can switch to it. It said, like it said now, yesterday, and it was last week. It said 39. So it's probably coming off that 25, right? Last month, so it's probably 30 days. Let's see if we look 30 days ago. You're talking what? The 27th of, so over here, right around here. So I don't know what it was doing, because here we got it dropping. So yeah, maybe, yeah. So I'm gonna track more, but I wanted to just tell you guys about it. Like if you didn't know, okay, that it existed, I'm gonna be watching this. If you didn't know that it existed or whatever, I made this TikTok video to basically introduce it to you guys. And we'll talk a little bit more on Bitcoin and some other stuff. So that's gonna be it in a short video right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.